I welcome you everybody to our panel session, and we welcome you to the virtual panel session about accelerated climate change and the food, energy, water nexus. We have invited 4 speakers, 3 speakers already there in our panel session, and you will find the CV of the speakers in the conference program. Peter from the University of Delft will talk about the multi-system modeling. Nicola and Jürgen from the UNIDO in Vienna will talk about the energy situation in Oman. Raimund, I hope he will show up, from the University College in London, will talk about climate change in the nexus. And Bin from the Normal University in Beijing talks about the few nexus and the greenhouse gas mitigation. I would suggest that every speaker has around about 50 minutes for the presentation, and we will discuss all questions after the 4 presentations. And you could type your questions in the panel chat room. I will give now a short introduction in the theme of our session. The term anthropocene refers to the current epoch of global development caused by the human impact on geology and the Earth ecosystem. The Anthropocene is in 2020 characterized by extreme weather events. The hottest summer on record in the Northern Hemisphere, causing the second lowest Arctic sea ice minimum on record. Very destructive wildfires in California, Siberia, the Amazon and the Pantanal, and the persistent severe drought in Central and Eastern Europe as measured by NASA. The fires and the climate change have severe consequences for the few nexus sectors. The food, energy, water nexus represents key sectors of the Anthropocene, increasingly and centrally impacted by the accelerated climate change. In this panel, the interlinkages between the few nexus sectors and their embeddedness in the socioeconomic ecological system will be considered and elaborated against the context of the accelerated climate change. I would like to close the introduction with a statement of Christiana Figueres from the UN United Nations Framework Convention on Climate Change, and as an inspiration of our panel discussion. We will start now with the first presentation of Peter.